right away, the big question must be, after Elaine Thompson-Herah became the first woman in history to become back-to-back Olympic double sprint champion, where is she ranked on the list of the greatest female sprinters of all time? Certainly, with a now impeccable 4 individual gold medals in her 2 Olympic Games, Elaine has jumped right into the GOAT discussion. The arguments against Elaine's body of work outside of the Olympics, such as not winning an individual world title, those arguments can be countered. But Shelley is still competing and Elaine is still competing. And with no disrespect to VCB and Merlin Otti, etc. But right now, based on what Elaine has done in Tokyo so far, between she and Shelley, it's a dead heat. Yes, look. It's a photo finish for the GOAT. Yes, in